Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to organize layer group and ungroup in Photopea. So get let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Firstly, we now can see now then we show the home page. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open and place option. Now we select from NSS picture. Now select from open option. Now you can see then I show the the picture. Now resize your picture. Now you can see then select from layer. Now select from first layer. Now second from control keyboard press from control and click from second layer. Now you can see then keyboard press from mouse right button. Now click from duplicate layer. Now select from first layer and second layer. Now keyboard press from control C. That it's. Now you can see then we show group and ungroup layer in Photopea document is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.